Let's make 5 cocktails with vodka base. The Appletini Cocktail. In a cocktail shaker, add 2 ounces of absolute vodka. Add 1 ounce of apple juice. Add 2 ounces of apple schnapps. Add half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Make sure to strain the pulp before pouring the lemon juice. Add half an ounce of simple syrup. Shake the cocktail for 30 seconds. Pour the cocktail in the martini glass. Decorate the glass with a composition of apple slices and a cherry. Enjoy the Appletini Cocktail. The Sea Breeze Cocktail. The Sea Breeze, a light and refreshing cocktail that pairs perfectly with sunny days at the beach. Let's start our cocktail by cutting half a slice of grapefruit to decorate the glass. Make sure that the slice is small enough to fit in the narrow profile of the Collins glass. With tweezers, holding the slice of grapefruit in the middle of the height of the glass and adding ice to the glass to be able to hold the slice in place. Make sure that the glass is topped with ice before adding the alcohol. Add 2 ounces of absolute vodka in the glass. You can choose other types of vodka, will not affect the taste of the cocktail. Measure 3 ounces of cranberry juice and add that to the glass. Add 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. Make sure that you strain the pulp before you add the ingredient to the glass. With a bar spoon, mix lightly just to keep ingredients together, trying not to touch the grapefruit slice. To add a final decoration, get a lime and cut a lime wedge to put on top of the cocktail. Add on top of the lime wedge cherry and put a bar pick to keep the 2 decorations together to make a nice color contrasting decor for our cocktail. Place the decoration on top of the glass. Enjoy the Sea Breeze Cocktail. The Lemon Drop Cocktail. In a cocktail shaker, add 2 ounces of absolute vodka. You can choose the kind of vodka you like the most. Add 1 ounce of simple syrup. Add 1 ounce of lemon juice freshly squeezed, and make sure that you strain the pulp before. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Shake the mix with force for 30 seconds. Shake the glass once to get rid of the excess sugar. Pour the cocktail and make sure that you don't miss the foam created in the shaker. Add the lemon twist on top of the glass. Enjoy the lemon drop cocktail. The Cosmopolitan Cocktail. In a cocktail shaker, add 1.5 ounces of citron vodka. Add ½ ounce cranberry juice. Add 1 ounce lime juice freshly squeezed. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Shake the mix for 30 seconds. For the cocktail. Squeeze the lemon peel on top of the cocktail to release the oils of the lemon and put the twisted peel in the cocktail. Add a cherry on the edge of the cocktail for decoration. Enjoy the Cosmopolitan Cocktail. The Moscow Mule Cocktail. In the copper mug, add 2 ounces of vodka. Top the mug with ice. Mix with a bar spoon for 30 seconds. Add ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. Top the mug with ginger beer. For decoration, cut 3 lime wedges. Add the lime wedges on top of the ice. For final decoration, add a mint branch to decorate the cocktail. Enjoy the Moscow Mule Cocktail.